somewhere in Africa. Hey Ian, what are you doing?
Well, I was hoping to go on travel school, but this is as far as my funds would take me. Wait, maybe you can help me. Let me tell you about travel school.
And now we're here. Let me tell you guys a little bit about Travel School. Travel School is this wonderful initiative made by GLA to take their grade 10 learners and expose them to new cultures and new experiences while traveling through Africa. The countries that we will be visiting will be Kenya, Tanzania, and we will also travel to the wonderful island of Zanzibar. I believe that God has called me to go on travel school so that I can serve the people and the missionaries that we come in contact with. But I believe, most importantly, God has called me to go on travel school so that He can prepare me for a life of service in His kingdom. I'm in the business classroom because I've got to talk some business. To go on travel school, it costs 26,000 Rand per person. And of course there are some other expenses such as insurance, yellow fever injections, malaria medication and some pocket money. And this will approximately be 30,000 Rand. And I know 30,000 Rand, that is a big mountain to climb. But I am asking you to invest in me.